Was the parade pretty cool? I thought so too. Okay, we're gonna have some guy over here in the tent playing some music for us, anything you want. We're getting ready to have just a small demonstration, kind of like a teaser, so to speak, of what disc dogging is about. We have 4 short performances for you today, and first thing I'm gonna say is a little bit of a safety deal. Safety deal here. You folks that are all along this area, your job is to not let anybody else closer. The dogs need a little bit of room. The most important safety thing is once in a while we throw a disc and it goes somewhere else. If a frisbee comes to you, do not grab the frisbee. Don't touch the frisbee, don't touch the dog. The dog's job is to get the frisbee, okay? So if the frisbee comes to you, just stand still, all right? Okay, so I'm Karen Reed, one of the founders of Flying Disc Dogs of Texas. We are super glad that you're here. We've got some pretty cool folks that are going to be performing. My friend Sylvester is here all the way from Franklin, Texas. He drove an hour and a half just to be here. And he is going to be performing today. And this is a very important thing you guys need to know. Sylvester's only been doing this a few years. He started after he retired. Sylvester wants you to know he is 70 years old in a row. Weekends and holidays too. He is 70 years old and he wants you to know it's never too late to start your dreams. Sylvester's out here with Beat Eyes. These guys are going to go ahead and they're going to do a few tricks. What they can do, they're going to try to stay on the carpet. And Sylvester and Beat Eyes have been all over the place, playing and performing and competing, winning lots of awards. And he can get on his knees. I can't. I don't think I can get back up. Okay, y'all, give it up for Sylvester and Beat Eyes. If the dog catches a frisbee, clap and cheer and make some jump higher. If they miss the frisbee, everybody go, oh, good try. Here we go. What are we gonna do? Yeah! Nice. That's a cool trick. Watch the children, Sylvester. B-Dice has lots of grandkids. He loves kids. That's called a push throw. Sylvester won 3rd place at the Texas State Championship last year. Those guys are going to be going again and competing. Sorry, kiddos, you're getting an extra blessing from B-Dice there. Give him there you go. One more there, Sylvester. Excellent. Okay. Everybody give it up for Sylvester and Beat Eyes. Y'all gonna be seeing another little dog come out here with Sylvester in a minute too. Give them a chance. They're gonna pick up their discs. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the next team that's coming up. Yeah, it's going to be Kristen and Ember. Now, guys, you need to know, Kristen and Ember are brand new, well, I say brand new to the sport. They just started playing a year ago, just barely a year ago. It takes a long time to learn how to do this. So this is huge for them. Also, I want you to give a big clap for them because this is their first time to ever perform in public. So, nice job, Kristen and Ember. Tricks at home, and just now learned how to do this in front of a public, and that was a dog catch. That takes a lot of trust and a lot of work between you and your dog. Your dog is not just your dog and your wonderful family member, he also becomes your teammate and your partner. Both of you almost begin to trust each other for every move. All right, Kristen, give it one more throw. Yes! Oh, great Red's coming up again. I'm going to say that. So he's giving me permission. Okay, so Sylvester is going to be coming back up again. He's got a dog named Red. Some of you might have seen Red hanging around in the wagon, kind of a caboose in the show here tonight, or today. And here they come. Oh boy, he's bringing out his little red wagon. And I'm not sure who's going to hold beat ice, but here he comes. Does Red catch frisbees? Yes, indeed he does. Little Red is going to catch the frisbee. Sylvester? Is somebody going to hold me, guys? Little Red is 5 years old. Red likes to compete in the up dog competitions where they can do rollers. That's called a roller. Oh, he's got a scratch. That's important. He says, I got this bandana thing on. I look really cute, but I got a scratch. So Red does a lot of rollers. He can also, he's not going to be able to do it too much here because we don't have quite enough room, but he also catches really good frisbees in the air with his little ears flapping. Oh, there he goes. Going to get a roller. Get it, Red. Get it, Red. Okay, so he's going to have to throw that one back. I know that's totally against what I said. Okay, so one of the things about Little Red is our official social butterfly flying Disc Dogs of Texas. Her job really is to go greet everybody and greet the kids, so sometimes she just leaves. She just leaves the field to go say hi because she loves people so much. So Sylvester's going to try to get her back here. Let's see if he can get another little roller for her. Oh, and it's a slider. It's a roller and a slider at one time. Give her a little catch there. Yes! Good catch, Red. Okay, guys, give it up for Sylvester and Red. We have one more performer for you. Even little dogs can compete in disc. We even have a micro dog division, believe it or not, for the little guys. Thank you, Sylvester and Red. One more time. All right, guys, you're in for a special treat. Our last performer is from Italy. This is Vanessa and Levy. Vanessa has been to a world competition. She's qualified for 4 world competitions. Now, Levy is kind of new to her pack. So Levy is a little bit new to this. Her other dog couldn't come today, but they're going to show you a few cool stuff, and I want you to cheer them on because they love doing this. The more you cheer, the louder, the higher the jump. Her talking to her dog during this. There's always communication going on. However, Levy likes to speak Italian. Beautiful dog cat. Right on. Thank you. Thank you, Vanessa and Levy. Everybody give them a big old round of applause. We want to thank you so much for allowing us to be here, Flying Disc Dogs of Texas. We also want to make a point to thank these guys over here from Wag Heaven for putting all this together. This is such a cool deal, and these guys are really amazing. And especially the fire department dog Coda. So, everybody watch out for your dogs. Clean up after yourselves. Make sure you have some quick bags around and take care of each other and have fun. Thank you.
One more time for Terry. So we're going to start with the costume contests.